Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let's try to understand this IMO 8th grade problem. This is for 8th or 9th grade students. So we have been given that a hula hoop was rested against stair vertically as shown in the figure. We have to find out what is the radius of the hula hoop. So we have a circle. Let us say the radius of the circle is r. So then we know that OA equal to OC is equal to radius r, because A and C are 2 points which are on the circle. So we know from circle to any point on the circle the distance is radius. So let's join OA and OC. We have joined OA and OC. Okay. Next, one more thing what we have to understand is we have been given that a hula hoop was rested against a stair vertically as shown in the figure. In that you see that the point A is the point of contact between the circle and the line, which we call it as tangent. In that situation the angle between them will be always equal to 90 degrees. In that situation the angle between them will be always equal to 90 degrees. So we know that angle OAB is equal to 90 degrees, or can I say OA is perpendicular to AB. Okay. So we know OA is perpendicular to AB. So what we will do now, we have to find out the radius. So we have tangent 90 degrees, that means can I use Pythagoras theorem? Let us see. If I want to use Pythagoras theorem, then I have to form a right triangle here. So for that what I will do, through C I will draw a line parallel to AB. Through C I will draw a line parallel to AB. So let us say that point is equal to D. Now you can see that ODC is a right triangle. Let's separate that and draw it here. We have triangle ODC is a right triangle. We have O, D and C. We know OC is equal to radius. We have to find out what is OD and DC so that we can use Pythagoras theorem. So let's go back here. OD is equal to OA minus AD. You will agree with me on that. OA minus AD. But what is OA? OA is OC is equal to radius minus what is AD? AD is equal to BC. Why? Because ABCD is a rectangle. So AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. So can I say R minus 8 centimeter. Now next we have OD, we have found that's equal to R minus 8. Then we have to find out what is DC. DC is nothing but equal to AB. Again opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, which is equal to 12. So can I say that's equal to 12? Now let's go back to the Pythagoras theorem. We know by Pythagoras theorem, so let's write down that by Pythagoras theorem we know that square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides. So OC square is equal to OD square plus DC square. But what is OC square? R square is equal to OD square, that is R minus 8 whole square plus DC square, that is 12 square. So let's write down the next step. We will use algebraic identity A minus B whole square, R square minus 16R plus 64, that is A square minus 2AB plus B square plus 144. Now we can cancel r square and take the 16r to left side. We will have 16r equal to 64 plus 144, that's equal to 208. That will give me r equal to 13 centimeter. So the radius of the hoop is 13 centimeter. So whenever we have to solve problems like this, we have to look into what are the inputs given to us and what are the hints or what are the tools which we can use for that. Now if you look at this example, when you started we have only O center and we have A point of contact and C another point of contact. But we know that BC will be intersecting the circle, whereas AB is touching the circle at A. That means OA is perpendicular to AB because AB is a tangent. So once we know that it's a 90 degrees, so we have to look for options how we can get a right angle triangle here. Leveraging the given measurements, we should be able to form a right angle triangle. Then we can use Pythagoras theorem to find out the radius of the hoop. So that's how we can solve this problem. So that's a IMO 8th grade problem, but we need to know knowledge of tangents and that this angle is 90 degrees, which is generally as part of 9th grade syllabus you will be learning. So that's a IMO 8th grade problem which is of 8th and 9th grade syllabus knowledge. So I'll catch you once again with another interesting example. Thanks for your time and support. Bye for now.